Will you just, like, for people who haven't heard of this, will you introduce the concept of P Doom, what it is, what it means, and
Yeah,
how
sure.
high potential P Dooms go from what you've experienced in your Doom debates, and how low they go, and just talk about yours and maybe the discrepancy between people's predictions?
Yeah, P Doom is a big part of my show, Doom Debates. Pretty much every episode, I ask somebody, what is your P Doom? So that letter P, it means probability. It's like mathematical notation. And then Doom is a scenario that's kind of the worst thing imaginable. It's basically like, take the future of humanity. You normally expect us to have like many generations, complete, build more cities, lift more people out of poverty. This is like the good future that we're all hoping for if economic growth continues and there's no catastrophe. Now imagine taking that scenario, but modifying it and being like, well, actually, none of that ever happens permanently. It's gone. You've eliminated that future. Everybody dies. And also, we were going to spread throughout the galaxy. Like this galaxy is ripe for the taking. So there's literally billions of places in the galaxy that we could have spread to if you just give us enough time and don't destroy us. But nope, you've now foreclosed that entire future. So from my perspective, I see a very big difference between the good future in the next 100 or 1,000 or even billion years. The good future looks really good and cool. It looks like all the good stuff that we know and love at like a much grander scale, right? It looks like a great time. But then you have the future I'm worried about, which is in as little as 10 years, that's just permanently gone. And then the universe just becomes essentially like, think about like cancer spreading everywhere, right? Or like weeds, just like some AI slop, basically, like throughout the whole universe, permanently over. So when I talk about P Doom, I'm just saying, what is your probability of the bad scenario? And then in my case, it's like roughly 50%. It's not a precise number, but like I'm very worried. Like I don't take the good outcome as the default that some people think it is.